Dear audience, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dear audience, as you all know that life is full of twists and turns. Everyone has tried hard to get success. Hard work is obligatory for success. Dear audience, hard work beats challenge when talent doesn't work hard. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What happened is talented individual from a successful one is hard work.